What's up, fine people? I'm here to make a video about I'm making the lanyard cables, like the cable we use for the GoPro. These cables, eye hooks here, and a cable to, another cable to have it, I can use two cameras at one time. Anyway, I'm going to make one up. I ordered some cable off of line. Some, I think it's 1/16 vinyl cable, vinyl coated cable. So it's nice, it's coated with plastic, shouldn't mark the car, scratch up the car, anything like that. And I'm going to put the cable end on it. Please excuse my son, he's a kid down here playing video game. Anyway, so this is the cable that I'm going to use, or whatever. I'm going to make the lanyards. I'm going to use this here. I got this from Home Depot. I hope that's not looking backwards to you. If it is, I'm going to be upset. Anyway, Home Depot's 1/8 inch furrow stop. You have to get the 1/8 because the black cable is so thick that the 1/16 can fit in there. So you have to get the 1/8 furrow to go in there. The little round stop there, you don't need that. You just need the furrow right here. These have one side of the package. And this is the furrow right here. The cable's going to go on. It's going to go in there. And I have to squeeze it and press together, press the cable together to make that work. So, in doing that, it's said to do what? Use a swedging tool. And I was going to try to use a hammer like this on the work. That falls pretty hard. So anyway, so far as the swedging tool is concerned, from work that I do, whatever, configuration, I did have this swedging tool kit right here. I had it in my basement. So I hadn't used it or so I think I used this piece right here. And I use this right here to squeeze this furrow together. And punch it down, squeeze it there, whatever, and clamp it onto the end of the cable. So, let me get started on that part right there. Okay, back to this here again. So here's the furrow again, and it goes into, you see how kind of tight that is. So that's why you have to get the 1/8 furrow. So anyway, I'm going to get through there like this. And I'm going to loop it around. And I need it to be about big enough to move it around. And get it to feel, I only want to stick out a little bit. But you need it to be big enough so that this doesn't go through. So I'm just going to, so this doesn't fall through. So I'm just going to adjust it and make it a little tighter. Right there. And that way I know that that's going to come out of there once it's hooked up to the cable, the GoPro cable, or the GoPro won't slide there over there. So then next time, like I said, I'm going to use this tool here that I use for configuration swedging tool. So anyway, I just got this one here. It's kind of difficult, it's kind of tight, but you need to put it in here. Sit it in there. See, it's in there like that. Tighten this up there like this. See how that's sitting in there like that? It's just sitting in there. So I'm gonna start cranking this down and I'm gonna start pinching that furrow together. And it'll, whatever. So, but it's so tight, I can't do it. So I'm using the aid of, whatever I find. So I'm using this clip in here to crank this down. Cranking it down. And crank this down. You can see it there starting to close. And just for leverage, just crank this down some more. Close it some more. this down. See if I can keep it right here like this. And you see it's compressing now. Probably a bigger screwdriver will help. There. But you see it's compressing. It's squeezing quickly around there. Good turn. It's almost completely closed there. We'll do it again. That's pretty close. So, see it's all squeezed down and I'm gonna undo this. Ooh. Need some spinach. Okay. Get that out of there. So we're gonna undo this now. Swing this over, pull this out. And you see it squeezed it. It squeezed it down. It compressed it, it's in there. See it there, it's in there, or whatever. Now I'm gonna try pulling on it. And it's not coming out of there. And I'm giving it everything that I got here. It's not coming out of there. So I made the cable, or lanyard cable. I'm also making this cable for the hood pins on my car. The ones that came with it are too short, and they're stainless steel, or they're steel. I don't like them, but I wanted them to be black. So this is actually made for the cable in the car, but we'll see. But anyway, it's pretty simple. I will put the description and the price of, you know, the parts and the tools that I use. Pearls that I use, and this cable. I got this cable off of eBay. I think I paid $11 for 50 feet of this cable. You can't beat that. And I don't know what a lanyard costs at a GoPro lanyard. I'm pretty sure it's expensive. But anyway, pretty simple. It worked well. I'm glad I had this tool for my refrigeration days or whatever. It worked out fine. So, okay, so again, this is the cable that I made or whatever. This is for my hood pins, but like I said, it's a lanyard. You can also use it for the GoPro, so it won't go nowhere. Keep it intact or whatever. Good condition. And like I said, make the eyelet for the GoPro big enough so this screw will not come through the hole. The locking nut screw, whatever you want to call it, will come through the hole. So anyway, I made this one. Came out good, perfect. Pretty cheap, pretty easy. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Any questions? Just give me a yell. Kirk out. Peace.